Best motorcycle for beginners: Suzuki SV650. Choosing the right motorcycle as a beginner is a crucial step in your riding journey. The Suzuki SV650 has long been hailed as one of the best motorcycles for beginners, and for good reason. With its balanced blend of power, versatility, and user-friendly characteristics, the SV650 offers an ideal platform for riders taking their first steps into the world of motorcycling. In this article, we'll delve into the key features and reasons why the Suzuki SV650 is the best choice for novice riders. Manageable power and performance. The Suzuki SV650 is powered by a 645cc V-twin engine that strikes a harmonious balance between performance and manageability. It offers enough power to comfortably handle highway speeds while being forgiving enough for riders who are still honing their skills. This power delivery allows beginners to build confidence gradually without feeling overwhelmed. Ergonomic design and comfort. Comfort is essential, especially for novice riders who may be spending extended hours on the saddle. The SV650's ergonomic design includes an upright riding position and a comfortable, well-padded seat. This combination reduces strain on the wrists and lower back, ensuring a pleasant riding experience even on longer journeys. Lightweight and nimble handling. Confidence in handling is crucial for beginners, especially in low-speed situations or tight spaces. The SV650's lightweight frame and nimble handling make it easy to maneuver through city traffic and navigate parking lots. Novice riders can quickly master low-speed maneuvers and build their confidence in various riding scenarios. Versatile riding experience. The Suzuki SV650 is known for its versatility. It can seamlessly transition from urban commuting to spirited weekend rides or even track days. This adaptability means beginners won't outgrow the bike quickly, as it can accommodate a wide range of riding styles and preferences. Modern features and technology. The SV650 comes equipped with modern features and technology that enhance both safety and convenience. Anti-lock braking system, ABS, is standard, providing added security, especially in emergency braking situations. The digital instrumentation provides essential information at a glance, allowing riders to stay focused on the road. Fuel efficiency. Cost of ownership is a concern for many beginners, and the SV650 shines in terms of fuel efficiency. Its efficient engine design allows it to deliver impressive miles per gallon, helping new riders save money on fuel costs and reduce their environmental footprint. Customization and upgradability. As riders gain experience, they often develop preferences and may want to customize or upgrade their bikes. The SV650 is highly customizable, with a vibrant aftermarket community offering a wide range of accessories and modifications. This means beginners can personalize their SV650 as their skills and tastes evolve. Strong resale value. Suzuki motorcycles, including the SV650, tend to retain their value well over time. This is advantageous for beginners who may eventually want to trade up to a more advanced model or a different style of motorcycle. The strong resale value ensures that the SV650 remains a valuable asset. Community and support. Joining the world of motorcycling often means becoming part of a vibrant and supportive community. The Suzuki SV650 has a dedicated fan base and online forums where riders share experiences, advice, and tips. For beginners, this sense of community can be invaluable in terms of learning and growing as a rider. Conclusion. The Suzuki SV650 stands as a testament to the perfect motorcycle for beginners. With its balanced power, ergonomic design, nimble handling, and versatility, it provides an ideal starting point for those embarking on their motorcycle journey. Featuring modern safety technology, customization options, and strong resale value, the SV650 offers a platform for developing riding skills and exploring the joys of motorcycling with confidence and enthusiasm. For beginners, it's a motorcycle that not only meets their needs but also paves the way for countless adventures on two wheels.